What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Didn't get enough sleep? Don't have enough energy or enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you, you? Excuses sound best to the person who is making them up. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Get off the pity potty. Stop telling everybody you're sad and sharing sob stories, trying to get people to show up to your pity parties. If you ever see greatness living life to the fullest, don't get jealous. Because they worked their asset off to get it.
Nobody handed them nothing. Wake your spirit up. Awaken the beast inside.
It's game on. It is go season. It's time for you to take advantage of the resources that you have. You got a problem with your life? You got a problem with your environment? Do something about it.
If you want it, go get it. Recognize the excuses are not valid. They are conjured up. They are fabricated.
They are lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop the lies with the truth. And the truth is, you have time. You have the skill. You have the knowledge. You have the support and the willpower and the discipline to get it done. The fruit of everything good in life begins with a challenge. Everything is uphill that's worthwhile. It's always going to be difficult. If you want it, get up and make it happen. Rise and grind.
No excuses. Own your day. Build your light.